All right, we're going to show y'all how to clean your dryer vent for $5. We made the rig up, and we're going to have Jonah's going to help me. Here's Jonah and DJ. And we're going to do this job. Okay, this is what we got first. See here, we've got our electric leaf blower, and we hooked it up to the dryer vent. It goes to the back of the dryer and into the vent. Okay, now you guys come on outside. Come on out here. All right, now here's our rig we made up. Okay, we got two pieces of PVC. Okay, and here's the connection. It's just a threaded connection. Can you put that over here and thread that in there? Jonah, show them how to do it. Okay, put that together, twist it. It's just a threaded connection so you can reuse it. We got about 20 feet of pipe here. It's going to be plenty for what we're doing. There's Jonah. You did a good job putting that together. Okay. All right, now down here, this is our electric drill, and this is a 1-inch. That is a 1-inch hole saw, and it fits perfectly over the 1/2-inch PVC. Okay, just a battery operated drill. Okay, now Jonah, go ahead and hold that, get a hold of that. Okay, now GJ, he's going to get ready. Go ahead and put it in there, probably about 1 foot.
Yes, sir.
All right, now y'all hold on just a minute before you turn that on. I'm going to go turn on the leaf blower, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go. Okay, leaf blower. Okay, guys, go ahead and start putting it in there. All right, a little bit at a time. You twist it, Jonah. Go ahead. Probably want to get a little bit lower down on the ground, make it straight. Okay, start easing it in there. Okay. Yeah, you can go a little bit faster than that. That's good.
Like
All
that?
right, ease it in.
What?
Not that fast. All right, ease it on in. Ease it in. Doing good, guys. All right, they're easing it in there. We're going to clean this thing out. Here's Jonah. He's doing real good. Remember, just keep it straight. Keep it straight. You want to get lower to the ground, Jonah. Okay. Going in, you got it.
That's as far as it'll go?
As far as it'll go?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should go further than that.
No, sir, it's
I don't think so. Nope.
Oh, it's done.
There you go. Go ahead. Okay. Good job. Let's do a little bit more right there. All right, what we got on there? Has it got stuff on it?
A bunch of stuff.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We cleaned out a bunch of junk out of there. It come out. I think a lot of it was mud too. All right, I think we're going to do it one more time. You want to do it one more time in there?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Go ahead and ease it. You need some gloves or something. You ain't got to. You can grab it down here where it ain't that muddy. All right, do it one more time. Run it all in there. All right, go ahead. Y'all doing a great job. All right, come on out. All right. They did it. They cleaned it up good.
That was
Now,
like a lint.
got a lint and stuff on there, and we've got real good airflow out of this thing. This is some lint. It was mud on there, but it was stopped up in there. It came all out right here. Okay, good job, guys. All right, so that's how you do it. We cleaned it out for $10.